Hello students, today in this session we will construct a triangle where the difference of two sides is given. Chapter number 11, Construction, class 9th, exercise 1.2, and here it's question number 2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equals to 8 cm, angle B is 45 degree and AB minus AC is given 3.5 cm. So here a triangle is given, measurement of side is given, one angle is given, and difference of two sides is given. In this case we will draw the triangle. So first of all we have to draw the line segment BC. It is of 8 cm. Then the next step is at point B, as we have to draw the angle 45 degree, and 45 degree is the half of the 90 degree. So for drawing the 45 degree, first we have to draw the 90 degree angle. So as we know how to draw it, open the compass, place the pointer at point B and draw an arc which is semicircle and intersecting the line segment BC at the point. Again place the pointer of this compass without disturbing the opening of the compass. Draw the arcs of equal length, and these two arcs intersect the semicircle at these 2 points. And now these 2 points, as we know that this is the angle of 60 degree, as we join this point B to these two intersection point of arcs, it is 60 degree angle. So we have to bisect it, so get the 30 degree angle. So we will have at the end 90 degree. So open the compass and take the radius more than half of this arc and place the pointer at this point. Draw the arc, place the pointer at this point, draw the second arc. These two arcs intersect at a point. So join this point to B, we get the 90 degree angle. But we don't need the 90 degree angle, so we can show this perpendicular line by the dotted line also. Now here this perpendicular line and the semicircle intersect at this point, shown here blue color. So from this arc, this is the angle of 90 degree, we have to bisect this angle. So place the pointer at this point and open the compass for more than half of this arc, not total length of the arc, more than half of this arc we have to open the compass. Place the pointer at this point, draw the arc, again the intersection point of perpendicular line and the semicircle, place the pointer here, tip of the compass and draw the line, draw the arc. So these two arcs intersect at points. This intersection point join with the point B, so we get the ray. So this ray divides this 90 degree into two equal halves, that is 45 degree. So this angle is the 45 degree angle. So we have drawn the angle CBX is 45 degree. Now we have to given difference AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeters. So open the compass for 3.5 centimeter, place the pointer at point B and cut an arc on the ray BX. So this intersection point is known as Y, and then this Y join with this point C, so we get the line segment CY. Now here we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment CY. So for this we have to take the compass and open the compass more than half of this line segment CY, and simultaneously we will draw the two intersecting arcs downside and upside of these 2 points CY as a center of this line segment CY. So let's start. Place the pointer at point Y, cut an arc, place the pointer at point C, cut an arc. This is the intersection point of two arcs. Similarly, in the upside of this line segment CY, place the pointer at point Y and cut the arc. Similarly, at the point C, place the pointer and cut the arc. Now these two intersection points of the arcs, when we join these 2 points and extend this line segment or extend this line of the intersection point of these two arcs that are the perpendicular bisector. So we get the perpendicular bisector, and this perpendicular bisector intersect the ray BX at point. So let it is A. Now this is the required point A of the triangle ABC, and join this point A to the point C. So we get a triangle ABC where angle B is 45 degree and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. Now by the actual measurement also we can measure AB distance and AC distance, and when we subtract AB minus AC we get the 3.5 centimeter. From the actual measurement also we can prove this. AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. Now we justify this construction as we have the point A which is on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment CY. So we can say this point A is at the same distance of point Y as well as point C. That meaning AY is equals to AC. Now when AY is equals to AC, let's take the line segment AB, and this is in the two parts BY plus AY. Now put the value BY is 3.5 centimeter, so we get 3.5 plus AY. Now A in place of AY we can write AC as AY is equals to AC. So A 3.5 plus AC is equals to AB. When we transpose this AC to the right hand side, we get AB minus AC is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now here we prove this, that difference of AB and AC is 3.5 centimeter. So this triangle is a required triangle where difference of two sides is 3.5 centimeter. So in this way we have to construct the triangle when the required difference is given and length of one side and one of the angle is given. So we can justify also it. I hope you can draw more triangles on the basis of this construction.